Hi everyone, today I want to show you how to do the Square-1 cube. This cube is very different to any other cube like 3x3, 4x4, 5x5. There's no resemblance. The pyramids, ivy, all of those have similarities to the 3x3, but this one is on its own. So it's got its own notation as well. We'll get to the notation now in a second. The first step is to make a square out of the cube. The way you hold the cube is with this small piece here and the bigger piece there. So you hold it like this. Or alternatively, you can also, of course, hold it like this. Small one on your thumb, big piece there in the back. Okay. Now the first thing is to get all these small edges. You need to get them all together. Okay. Doesn't matter the color. So if everything moves on this slice over here. Okay. So you can see I'm going to put two there, and then I want to move this one up there so it's together. All right. This one we want to substitute with another small piece, so we put it in there. This one also want to put a small piece in there, so we do that. So you can see how we build these small edges. And now it's done. Now you've got your flower at the bottom and all the small pieces all together. Okay. So I'm not going to really go into much detail with the notation. By the end of this tutorial, you'll see what it means. But the first algorithm you need to make a square would be this algorithm over here. Okay, let me just focus a bit better. So whenever you see a forward slash, that's a slash. And that would mean that's a slash, one slash. There's another slash, okay? And the first number would be, it's according to your slice here, so that will be +1 in the top layer, the first coordinate, if I can call it that. And the second coordinate is for your bottom layer. So for example, that will be +1 if you turn it that way. Corner pieces count as 2. So you cannot move +1 here because it's a corner piece. So that will be +2. That will be -2. This will be +2. That will be +2. Okay. +1. +1. That will be -1. And that's the first coordinate. Second coordinate is for the bottom layer. So this will be a -2. -2. And so forth. And remember the slashes are just this. Okay. So I'll show you a different algorithm. When you've got one center piece in the middle here, then it's a bit different. But if you are lucky and you got it like this, then you can just use this algorithm to get the square. Okay. And to do that, you just start in this position. If it was one in the middle, you would start with a small center piece, just one off like that. I'll show you that now. But in this case, you're just going to do slash -2 and then the bottom layer is -4. 1, 2, 3, 4 slash -1 -2. You do another slash, and you do a -3 -3. You do slash. Okay, and now you've got it in a square. Okay, if you have a scenario like this, it's very easy to correct. Make the middle layer a square, then you use this simple 1 0 slash -1 0. Okay, so let's try that. You do a 1 0 slash -1 0. 0 means the bottom one doesn't split, and there it's a perfect square. If like that previous scenario where you've got that small center piece in the middle, then you would, instead of this first algorithm that I've shown you, you will use this algorithm over here. Okay, and that is to get the square when there's one edge in the center of those corner pieces. So it's slash 2 by 2 slash 1 by 0 slash 2 by 2 slash 1 by 0 slash -1 0 slash 0 -3 slash. Okay, but we don't need that in this scenario. You will only need one of the first two moves. Okay, so that's the first three moves covered. Then the fourth move would be to swap corners. So we're always swapping the top left corner with the bottom right. Okay, so I want to move this white here. So then you do this one here, 1 0 slash 3 0 slash -1 0. Okay, so let's do that. You do a 1 0 slash, then you do a 3 1 2 3 0 slash, and you do a -1 0. So you could see we have moved this one here. Okay, so swap corners, top left with bottom right. So I'm going to put this yellow on top here and swap it. Just to reiterate, swap this one, top left with bottom right. It's actually here. Top left with bottom right. Okay, so let's do it. 1 0 slash 3 1 2 3 0 slash -1 0. So now you can see all our corners are yellow, all our corners here is white. Okay, now for the fifth move, there's only 10 algorithms, so we're almost halfway, and you don't need all of them. So the next one is to swap edges between the top and the bottom layers, and the ones that you are swapping is always here and here. So we're swapping this one with this one. Okay, so yellow is going to go here, white is going to go there, and for that you need this algorithm to swap the edges. You can see 1 0 slash 0 -3 slash 0 -3 slash -1 -1 slash 1 4 slash 0 3 slash -1 0. Okay, so let's do that. You do a 1 0 slash, then a 0 -3 1 2 3 slash 0 -3, it's again 1 2 3 slash negative 1, negative 1, slash 1, 4, positive. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, slash 0, positive 3, 1, 2, 3, slash negative 1, 0. There we've swapped it. Next one, put another white there, another yellow here, swap these two, do it again. Okay, so 1, 0, slash. Let's make sure that was right. 1, 0, slash, yeah. 0, negative 3, 1, 2, 3, slash. 0, negative 3, it's 0 there, negative 3 here, 1, 2, 3, slash, negative 1, then you do a negative 1 here, slash, positive 1, positive 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, slash, 0, positive 3, 1, 2, 3, slash, neg 1, 0. So we've got 1 left. Move it here with the 1 in the bottom layer. Okay, let's do that again. So with these two, the last ones we want to swap, do the algorithm one last time. 1, 0, slash, 0, negative 3, 1, 2, 3, slash, 0, negative 3, 1, 2, 3, slash, negative 1, negative 1, slash, positive 1, positive 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, slash, 0, 3, 0 there, 3 here, 1, 2, 3, slash, negative 1, 0. So there we've got everything yellow at the top here, everything white at the bottom. Doesn't really matter if you have white here or yellow there, that's fine. Okay, then on to the 6th one, corners. So we're first going to solve the corners that they're in the correct position, not orientated correctly. So then you would use, but I can see they're already correct in this situation. So we've got to skip here. I'm not going to do this algorithm because it's very similar to the bottom one, which is not correct. So you'll see with the bottom one. But to get the top layers, normally you won't have headlights like we have here on all the sides. And that's our end goal, is to have headlights like this. So if you have it like this, then it's a skip. But if it wasn't like this and you only had one set of headlights, you would put that headlights, for example, on the right hand side, and then you would do this algorithm to solve the top layer. And you could see there it's a slash 03 slash 0 minus 3 slash 03 slash negative 3 0 slash 3 minus 3 slash, and then you would end up with a top layer with headlights like this. Okay, then onto the 7th one. That's a very similar algorithm. It's just to solve the bottom. So remember that your front is always your thumb on this small one and middle finger on that big piece over there. It never changes. Okay, so now you're looking for headlights. There's headlights. You put the headlights on the right hand side of the cube, and then you do this algorithm to get all the headlights in the bottom. So it's a negative 3 0. Oh, begin with a slash. then slash 30 slash negative 30 slash 03 slash 3 minus 3, end with a slash. Okay, so again, your headlights here at the bottom. You can see the others headlights is not correct. That's why we're doing this algorithm. So now we're going to start. You've got it there. So start with a slash negative 3, right? So that's 1, 2, 3, 0. Okay. Slash positive 3. 1, 2, 3, 0. Slash negative 3, 2, 3. Slash. Now it's a 0 at the top, 3 positive at the bottom. So you do a 1, 2, 3 positive, slash. And then it's a 3 minus 3. 1, 2, 3. And negative 3 over here. 1, 2, 3. And then you end with a slash. So now you've got your spotlights in the bottom as well and at the top. Okay. Okay, and then when you've got your headlights in your top layer and you've got your headlights in the bottom layer, right? Like you can see, then you might run into situations where you cannot line up these corners. You see red, green, orange, blue. Or you can have a flip the middle layer. So the algorithms that you will need to correct the flip middle layer, it's just to swap these around, is this one here, so slash 6 by 6 slash neg 1 1. Okay, and there's one monster of an algorithm if you've got a parity issue, which very seldom happens, but that's when you need to swap this one. You've got the whole cube solved and you need to swap this corner with that one. Then you need this algorithm, which is a killer. Okay, I'm just going to read that. So it's slash 3 by 3 slash 1 by 0 slash neg 2 slash 2 0 slash 2 2 sorry, slash neg 1 0 slash neg 3 slash neg 2 0 slash 3 by 3 slash 3 by 0 slash negative 1 slash negative 3 0 slash 1 by 1 slash neg 4 neg 3. And when you've done that, then you've swapped these two, but that's only if you need it right at the end. Okay. The final algorithm is to swap all these edges in their correct positions. Okay. The algorithm that you need for that is 10 slash 03 slash neg 1 slash 1 negative 2 slash neg 1 0. Okay. So the important thing here is we are swapping these two with those two. Okay. So when we do the algorithm, these two will swap, and then these two will swap. So you can see this is our front, those two are swapping, and those two are swapping. So you can cater for most scenarios with this. Okay, so I would love to move blue into there, move the green here, and next time we can just swap these two. Okay, so I'm going to put it like this. Okay, but now we need to look at the bottom as well, what's happening here. So if we keep it like this, then it's also perfect because red will move in there, blue will move in here, and next time we can just swap the blue. Okay, it looks like we're going to have some fun. But okay, let's start with that, all right? And just see if there's something better to do. Can't really. If you do like a green in there and the reds, yeah, then you're moving it further away, which is not ideal. Yeah, so I'm going to do this, move the red there, move the blue one closer. Not really. Oof. Yeah, it's not an ideal situation for this one, right? So we'll just have to see what happens, okay? But the top one is easy. Okay, so let's start with this. We're going to move green in there, red to here, blue in there, green to here. Okay, so we're going to do 1, 0, slash. You're going to do a 0, 3, 1, 2, 3, slash. Negative 1, negative 1, slash. Positive 1, neg 2, slash. Neg 1, 0. Okay. So there it's in there. So now we just need to swap these two, but at the bottom, we've got some fun happening over here. Okay. So this will swap. Let's see what we can do. Yeah, that's perfect for the bottom. So move orange in here, red to that, okay? Let's see what happens. So we're going to do and swap these two around. So we do a 1, 0, slash 0, 3, 1, 2, 3, slash negative 1, negative 1, slash positive 1, negative 1, 2, slash negative 1, 0. Okay, so now we've got the top layer sorted, but this one not. Okay. Now, so here we've got our middle layer, which is not correct. And for that, you will need this algorithm, right? So let's see if that works. You start with a slash, you do positive 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do a positive 6 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You do your slash again, negative 1, positive 1. Okay, so there the middle layer is correct. So in this scenario, everything at the bottom is solved, but we've got these two that still need it, right? So it's not going to help us just to swap them, because then we will break it here again. So I'm going to swap this one here. Okay, so let's do that final swap again. You do a 1, 0, slash 0, 3, 1, 2, 3, slash negative 1, negative 1, slash positive 1, negative 2 will be 1, 2, slash negative 1. Okay, so let's see what we have. I think this one will definitely be a parity issue of some sort, right? So I'm going to move this one here, and then it will be a parity issue, I think. And then these two just needs to swap at the bottom in there. Okay, so let's do the last algorithm 10 again. So you do a 1 0 slash, and you do a 0 positive 3 1 2 3 slash negative 1 negative 1 slash, you do a 1 negative 2 slash negative 1 0. Yeah, it's like I thought. So we definitely have a parity issue here, which we will try and solve in the next step. Yeah, so to solve this parity issue, you need this mother of an algorithm which I've read earlier. Okay, so let's try that. So I'm just going to do it very slowly because you can make a mistake very easily here. All right, so starting position like this. Your parity edges that you need to swap here in the top layer, and then you start. You do a slash positive 3 1 2 3, and you do a positive 1 2 3 slash positive 1 0 slash negative 2, and you do a negative 2 1 2 slash, you do a positive 2 0 slash, then you do a 2 2 2, this one is 1 2 slash negative 1 0 slash negative 3 1 2 3, this is negative 3 1 2 3 slash. So it will come back into a square, but you're not done. Then it's minus 2 0, that's minus 2 0 slash, you do a positive 1 2 3 and a positive 1 2 3 slash positive 3 here 1 2 3 0 slash negative 1 negative 1 slash minus 3 1 2 3 0 slash, you do a positive 1 slash, you do a negative 4 1 2 3 4 and a negative 3 1 2 3, and there it's solved. So that was your parity. It's the first time that it happened to me, and that's on video. So yeah, that was actually nice that it happened now, because then you guys could see exactly how to do it. Yeah, so if you like my videos, like it, subscribe. If you want to solve any of these other ones, look at my channel. I've got all of them there. So you can see there's the Ivy cube, the skewed cube, the Megaminx, mirror cube, void cube, professor cube. This is the 4x4 Rubik's Revenge, standard 3x3, 2x2, a 3x3 which has pictures or letters. It's got an extra algorithm or two that you need to look at. And then this is just a very simple 1x3, which anyone can do if you can do 3x3. And then the pyramids as well. So I've got all these algorithms on my channel. So yeah, go check them out, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching and good luck.